Hidden inside the state park resort known as Topsail Hill Preserve are over 20 miles of bike and hiking trails. Today, we're going to put our pup Maggie inside of what we affectionately call her Toto basket and explore many of these trails on our rad e-bikes. Come along with us.
Maggie, you want to go for a bike ride? Do you?
Jump up if you're ready. Ready? Jump.
She jumped?
I think she did a little.
So some people ask us about, do we strap Maggie in? And I'll show you what Owen has concocted here. It's just a little strap. He's put it on one end of the basket. He loops.
The basket actually has these little loops that go through. Yeah. We leave her harness on. It goes through. And it goes through that part of the basket. And then you got to get her to sit straight. Sit straight.
She doesn't always sit straight.
Sit straight.
When she's riding, but at least getting her strapped in, it's a good thing. And then he just loops it through. And she's pretty secure in. She doesn't really try to get out, but it does kind of peace of mind, I guess, for us that she's not going to go anywhere. Good sugar.
Hang on, buddy. Look at that squirrel. Whoa, right out in front of us. Did you see that, Maggie? Man. On today's bike ride tour of all the trails, No Name Lake Trail. Maggie and I have done this one, but Lynn has not. So I thought we'd come here and start it today. The sand is a little deep. Be careful. That's the only deep part right there. Okay. You have to be careful when you're doing these too. Some of them on all trails show that you can ride just about everywhere. And then there are some that show that only hiking, so you'll see no bikes at all are allowed. This is a multi-use trail here. Pretty cool. It's the kind of trail that Maggie and I like for sure. Big bump, buddy, big bump. You okay? See if your mom's coming. That's the only sandy place. I think we can go through there, but it doesn't go very much further.
This is as far as you went the other day?
Yeah, this is as far as we went. Yeah, I think that's about as far as we can go.
Is that it?
That's it. The No Name Trail is a short trail, isn't it? Oh yeah, No Name Lake. I guess it's No Name. Okay, we'll go back up to the right and take Turpentine over to the other loop. She look okay? She hanging off? We're riding on sandy trails and she's hanging off the side. The beach trail is a Turpentine trail. This isn't a very long one either, and it's going to take us over to the other loop. If you just stayed on the main road up there, that would take you to this next loop too. But at least this one will be cool. We can go this way. Hang on, little lady. is it we always say? We're having a good time. This is a lot more scenery to take in. Hey, we're losing everything, buddy. We are losing everything. Well, before I dropped the camera, we were just saying we love riding on trails, and riding on trails is a lot more fun, isn't it?
It is, but it is a little bumpy, so things
Fall off. You lost your phone.
lost my phone.
And I just dropped the 360 camera, so
Oh, well.
yeah, I know the 360 camera, you don't want to scratch this lens for sure, so oh well, here we go. Okay, we switched to Peanut, took the 360 camera off. This trail's too bumpy for us to have the 360 camera mounted on the bike, so we have to figure that out. But for now, little Peanut to the rescue. I think we made a wrong turn somewhere back there, because this was supposed to be like a 2/10 of a mile connector trail. Yeah, I'm not sure. This seems like this is a loop trail. Maybe one we're not even supposed to be on, but I don't know. We'll see. We were just saying that we think Maggie loves this because she gets to take advantage of these beautiful places, but she doesn't have to put the work in. She's not so tired when we get here. And believe it or not, she loves taking in places like this and seeing things. I think you guys that know us have been watching for a while probably know that, but this is the payoff for this. It's awesome. One of the great things about this too, I guess because we're on the bikes and we're going places you really can't walk to from the all the access roads, there's nobody out here. I mean, we're out here, just look around, there's nobody around us. It's a wonderful day to do this. Our plans were to go over there and to sit on the beach today, but somehow we ended up doing the bike ride instead, and I'm glad we did. This is a destination park for sure. There's a lot to do inside this park, and this is just one of those things. But yeah, there's a lot to do. It's our kind of place. You wouldn't believe that, would you? It's an RV resort, but hidden inside of this RV resort, a lot of trails and a lot of things to do like this, and a lot of wildlife. So if you know us, you know that's what we like to do.
I do want to say that as Maggie's getting a little bit older, she can't walk as far as she used to, and a lot of times we don't go on long hikes because she can't go. And being able to bring her on the bicycles, it's just, you know, a way for us to be able to do a little bit more exploring and
share these things with her.
Yeah. So it doesn't make us feel so bad about leaving her. So it's been a great addition to our
Look at her grinning.
trips.
Go for Tortoise Trail? I guess so. If it says we can. Multi-use, yeah, bikes can go. So this is the Gopher Tortoise Trail. I haven't looked at all trails or anything. Have no idea where this path is going to end up, but it looks like some of the parked vehicles have been on this little section a lot more than others. So maybe we're going to be back up here at the main part of the park in a few minutes. I like this, but my wife loves exploring dirt roads. Go for Tortoise Trail, straight ahead. Yeah, to the left here. It's pretty deep sand here. Whoa. You okay? All right. All righty. I know, I'm glad we got fat tires. Fat tires help with a fat butt. For me, not for you. I gotta clarify that or I'd be in the doghouse. You're doing good. 1 foot down and just give it slow power. You got it. I don't know if I do or not, but you got it. You okay back there, Magdalene? All right. Campbell Lake bike path. To the right here. No, wait a minute. To the left, to the left. No, wait. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that was an awesome bike ride there. We're back at the Echo. Here's our site tonight. We did have to move sites today, like we said, but we got another one that's in here. It's not quite as private as the last one, but it's still pretty good. Did you have fun? Uh-oh. Quick, Maggie, I didn't even have you buckled in there.
Yay!
Oh, man. I didn't even have you buckled in good. My bad, sweetheart. I didn't have it through the loop in her harness. You do stay out against your daddy, don't you? You do.
So what did you think of that bike ride?
Right at 5 miles, a little over an hour and 15 minutes.
We rode really slow, didn't we? And we got off a couple of times.
Yeah, it takes a little longer whenever you're filming it, you know, but we want to, even if you guys don't want to watch it, we want to watch it one of these days. And now it's cream soda time. Sit down in the Nemo chairs and just relax, maybe watch the sunset a little.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you've been watching this for a long time, then you know we've tried a lot of different ways to bring Maggie with us. This Toto basket, well, it's the perfect opportunity for her to go. If you'd like to see more about it, there's a link to our Amazon store in the description of this video. Happy Tales.